Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Kiran. I am from BS Chemistry and my ID is 005. Today I am going to present a presentation on Python, the course of Python that is data manipulation with Pandas. So in this course, we will talk about transferring data frames, aggregating data frames, slicing and indexing data frames, and at the end we will talk about creating and visualizing data frames. First, transforming data frames. In this, we talk about introducing data frames, sorting and subsetting, and we talk about new columns. In a second, we see aggregating data frames that include mean and median, summarizing dates, efficient summaries, cumulative statistics, counting, dropping duplicates, counting categorical variables, and group summary statistics. And the third step, we see slicing and indexing data frames. Slicing and indexing data frames include explicit indexes, setting and removing indexes, subsetting with dot loc, setting multi-level indexes, sorting by index values, slicing and subsetting with dot loc and dot iloc, slicing index values, slicing in both directions, and slicing time series. And in the end, we see creating and visualizing data frames. In this, we talk about changes in sales over time, avocado supply and demand, price of conventional versus organic avocados, missing values. We see finding missing values, how removing missing values, how to replace missing values, and about creating data frames. And this is my certificate for data manipulation with pandas from Datacamp. Thank you very much.